Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to change the air filter on my Porsche Cayman. It's pretty simple. Once you take off the engine cover, which if you don't know how to do already, you can check out my other tutorials on how to do so. Once you get the engine cover off, all you have to do is undo a couple of Phillips head screws, pull the filter out, and then put the new one back in. So this is the new filter that I have. It's a MAN C31002. It comes with the bracket or piece that goes on the filter. Depending on what you buy, you might have to remove the old bracket from your current filter and then place it on your new one. So here we have the engine filter. We have Phillips screw here, Phillips screw here. The Phillips head screw is removed. All you have to do is just pull out this cover. It's very filthy. With the cover removed, there's another Phillips head screw right here. This is the only screw that's holding the filter in. With all the screws removed, you could just have to finesse the filter out. You push it back first because it's attached at the front. And there it is. So here's the old filter, pretty filthy. Not sure when the last time it was changed. So with the old filter removed, we'll put the new one in, exactly how it came out. Remember this tab screws onto here. So we're gonna go in back first. And then make sure you push it forward onto the snorkel. So you have to get this lip around the snorkel. There we go. You have to get it seated pretty far. Might be a little hard to see, but this white lip right there, that has to go over the black lip on the inside. Alright, now that we got the filter in, all we have to do, put the covers back on. Put the cover back on. You can screw the Phillips head back in. Filter screwed in, we can put the cover back on. Get your screws back in. And that's it. So that's it, guys. It's pretty simple. You know, once you get the engine cover off, it's about a 5-minute job. Hope that helps you guys out. Take care.